Hello and welcome back. This is Achol Rafi once again. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create this beautiful landing page using Elementor Builder step by step from the scratch. So even if you're a complete beginner, you will be able to follow the process and you'll be able to create landing pages for your use or for your clients. So here, let me show you. This landing page has this logo section, then we have got this header image, and after that we have got this video embedded with this structure. We have got social sharing icons, then we have got this main product section where we have got product image and some features added here. After that we have got this call to action button, and then we have got this footer section, and I'm going to walk you through every single steps to create this beautiful landing page throughout this video. Even if you are a complete beginner, you'll be able to follow the processes and you'll be able to create these types of beautiful landing pages for sure. So first of all, let me take you to my WordPress dashboard here, and then let me show you what are the plugins I have got. So here from plugins, let's click on add new, and I'm going to type out Elementor, and let them load it up. So here, these are the plugins which I have got installed: Elementor website builder, and then essential add-ons for Elementor. And these are the reasons why I am seeing this Elementor option here, templates option here, and then essential add-ons here listed. So let's just move on. We are going to and one thing, these are the images, all the contents of this template, like this logo image, this image, this image, there is image. You are going to find everything into the video description. I'm going to attach a Google Drive link from where you'll be able to download, and you'll be able to use these contents into your template if you need. So without further ado, let me take you back here, and after that we are going to create this landing page in a template. So let's hover over this templates option, and then let's click on add new button from here, and after that you will have this pop-up window for a new template. So as this is a one-page landing page, so I'm going to select from here, as you can see, select the type of template. So we are going to select the type to page, and after that you can give a name whatever you want. So I'm going to give a name like, let's say landing page, or LP tutorial, and let's click on create template, and it is going to load up the editing panel for us. And let's just verify it is selected to page layout from I've just clicked here on settings, then page layout to Elementor canvas. Let's click on publish, and if I reload this page again, we are all ready to move forward from here. As you can see, it's just loading up this editing panel. All right, so now let's go back here, and in the very beginning we have got this logo section. So let's take one column and we are going to add this logo. So let's go back here in this editing panel, and then we are going to click on this plus icon, and it is going to show you some structures. So we are going with this one column structure. So let's click on one column here, and here we go, we have got this structure. Now as we have got this logo as an image file, so I'm going back here, and then let's click on this widget icon, then let's select the image and drag it right here, drag and drop. Okay, and then let's choose image. You can simply upload image from your computer by clicking on select files, but as I already have got them here, so I'm going to select this logo from here, then click on insert media, and here we go, I have got this logo here. Now as you can see here, this logo has a bit less height here, so I'm going back here, then let's click on style, and let's choose white from here. So if we work on white, the height will automatically be settled. So let's say I want this white to 25, and okay, so a little bit more, so I'm going with 30 pixels. So let's go with pixels, so it is going to work fine. I'm going to, yeah, I've just selected pixel, and then I'm going with, let's say 150, nope, so 250, and it looks much closer here, and I think 300 is going to work fine and look good here, and here we go. All right, so now I'm going to give a background. As you can see, this section has this white background, so I'm going to use a tool named Pixie, which you can find. Let me type out here Pixie. You can simply click here on this web page and download this as a portable application. So let me download and save this file, and it's been downloaded. Now if I click here, just take a look, I have got this tool which is going to help me copy and paste the color codes of any section or wherever my mouse is going, right? So I'm going to take it right here so that it will not make any inconvenience in the way. So let me just cross it out, and here we go. Now let me just copy this color code, and to copy color code I am using Ctrl Alt and C button of my keyboard. I am using Windows computer. Okay, so let's go back here, and then let's click on this section and go to style, and after that from background select this classic, then choose the color from here, paste the color here. All right, so we have got white background. As we already had white background, so we are not being able to see any changes, but we are going to see in few minutes. So let's click here and let's click on update, and let's go back again here, and here in this section we have got a different background with this heading. So let's just go for it. We are going back to this editing panel. Let's click here again. We are going to take this one column structure, and then we are going to change the background by clicking on this edit section. Let's go back here. Let's take the background color. If you just notice this Pixie tool, just take a look, the color has been changed. And now if I click on Ctrl Alt C on my keyboard, then my color code has been copied. Now let's go back to the editing panel and go to simply click on these 6 dots to get this edit section panel, then go to style, and after that background type classic, change the color, and I'm going to paste the color code here. Just take a look, the color code or the background color has been changed. Now we have got this heading, so I'm going to take this, going to take you to this widget section, heading, select this heading and drag and drop it right here, and after that I'm going to copy this heading, copy, and going to paste it right here. Just take a look, now we have got this one in centered aligned. Let's click on center, and then we are going to excuse me, we are going to take the formattings of this heading text by using an extension which is Font Finder. As you can see, Font Finder, you can simply install it on your computer, or sorry, on your I'm using Mozilla Firefox for this tutorial, so you can install it to your Mozilla Firefox by simply making a search Font Finder extension for Firefox. And after that, let's click here, and you are going to find the details of this formatting. Like as you can see, font size is 64 pixels, font family is Lato sans serif, and font weight is 400. So we are going to take them 64 pixels, Lato 400. So let me just cross it out, and I'm going to style, then let's click on typography. From Roboto we are going to change it to Lato, as the font was in Lato, and then the size is going to be 64 pixels. Make sure the pixels is selected here, and then the font weight was 400. All right, and the color of the font is white, so we are going to change the color from here. All right, so we have got this basic setup here. Now we have to work on this height. Okay, so let me just click here on this 6 edit section icon, and then go to layout, and after that from height let's select to minimum height, and then you can simply increase or decrease the height as you want. Okay, so let me just give it to, let's say, 500 height, and I'm going to place this content, or actually let's see from layout, yeah, vertical alignment. I'm going to give this content alignment to top, so it is going to be placed in top, though I'm not seeing any change. So let me see top. Okay, so it is going to be stayed in middle, no problem at all. We are going to work on this soon. So now let's move back here, and we are going to work on the next section, which is going to have this video and these image icons. All right, so let me just take you back here, and after that we are going to take another section. So let's click on plus icon and one column structure, and the background color is going to be this color. So I'm going to copy the color code, Ctrl+Alt+C, and go to style, click on classic, then here in this color picker, then I'm going to paste the code and just take a look, we have got a different color right here. Okay, so now let's click on update and let's go back here, and we are going to take this image. Okay, so one thing I have to do here, as you can see, this has just covered a box layout, so we are going to see what is the layout size. So let's click here and then go to inspect element, and after that if you click here, you are going to see this is 1060 pixels, or actually the whole content is, let me see, okay, 180 pixels, and this content is, let me drag it here, 960 pixels. So I'm going to give this alignment here. So let's click here, and from box I'm going to type out like 1080 pixels, and this box I'm going to give the layout to 960 pixels. Okay, so, and now click on update. So we have got the layouts formattings here. Now let's just, I'm going to cross this one, let's just upload this video. So first of all, what I have to do, we have to go back here on this widgets, drag this video widget here, and here we go, we have got this video. So now let's say you want to change this video, so I'm going to copy this video URL, or you can copy whatever video you want to place from YouTube, Vimeo, and some other options you are going to find. So I'm going to, yeah, here we go, Vimeo, Daily Mission, and self-hosted. So I'm going with YouTube for this reason, or for this tutorial purpose. I'm going to paste the video link here, and just take a look, we have got this video link or video appeared, and then we have got some columns here. So we are going to take, let's say, inner section. So I'm going to take inner section right after this video, and then we have got this image and then this title. So let me upload image from here, image, and I'm going to upload this image. Click select image, and this is the image. Let's click on insert media, and after that we have got this heading. So I'm going to take heading here. So let's take heading, and we are going to video 1. Let me just type it out here, video 1, and it has center alignment with some text, so text formatting. So I'm going to click here, let's click on video, 16 pixel, 400, and Gentium basic. So 16 400 Gentium basic. So I'm going to change the stuffs here, Gentium basic here, and the font size was 16 pixel, and the font weight was 400. Yeah, and then I have to click on, go back to content, then let's click on center, and the text color is black. All right, so here we have got this basic structure here. Now let me take you back here, and we have got one border here. So let me give one border. Simply click here and then go to style, then you're going to find border, then select border type solid, and we want this border with 1 pixel, not top. We are going to give the border to right, 1 pixel right, and let's click on update. You are not being able to see anything here, but you are going to see soon. So let me see the border color. Okay, so in this section you have to change the background as well. So let me copy this color code from here, copy, and we're going to change the color right here. All right, so the border color is going to be changed. Let me show you. You might not going to, yeah, so here just take a look, is just a slight border has been added here, but it is going to look nicer soon. So just click here, and then what we are going to do, we are going to click on this column, edit column section, and then go to style. And as you can see here, this column actually has a background which is different than this background. So I'm going to copy the color code from here and go to background type to classic, change the color, and paste the code here. Just take a look, we have got a different border right now. So now we are done with this basic formatting. Now we can simply click here and then click on duplicate. It is going to duplicate all of these settings. Let's do the duplicate, not again. So first of all, let's change the image. As you can see, this one has another image, so I'm going to change the image from here. Choose image. This is the image which been used, so let's click on insert media, and we're going to change the text later, but first of all let me just simply duplicate this a 2 times. All right, and then delete this column from here, and now let's change the text to video 2, from here video 3, and from here video 4. All right, now I'd love to remove the border from this column, so let's click here, then go to style, and from border we are not going to give any border. All right, so it's going to look nicer. Now if I just show you here, just take a look, we have got this border and the basic alignment of these contents, right? So it was real easy. Now let me take you back and let me take you show you. Here we have got this as a header h3 or h4 whatever, and then we have got these social media icons. So we are going to take a new section again here, so let's click here and plus, and then let's take this column, and after that we have again we have to give this column a width which is going to be 960. All right, let's click on update, and the background color is different, so let's select the color, and okay, so we might have to do it later, but first of all let me take you here. Let's take the header, and then we have got social media icons, so we are going back here and then type in widgets social, and it's going to drag it here. All right, so we have got social media icons as well. Now let's just copy these text, copy this text and paste them here. Now let's take the formattings. So we have got 34 pixel Lato 400 font weight, so 34 Lato 400 weight, Lato, okay, 34 pixels with 400 weight, oops, not 500, 400 weight, and then go to content, give the centered alignment, and just take a look. Here we have got a different color, so we are going to copy this color code from here, and I'm going to paste the code right here. All right, so here we go, we have got this basic thing happening, and we are going to give the padding stuff soon so that it will look like this soon. So now we are going to, let's say you want to change, instead of YouTube you want to place this LinkedIn. So let me show you how you can do this and how you can add this grow effect here. So let me click here, and after that, as you can see YouTube, so we can simply remove YouTube from here, then click on add item, and then from icon library you can simply type out LinkedIn, and here is LinkedIn. Let's select this one, click on insert, and just take a look, we have got LinkedIn added instead of our YouTube which was previously, and this has a box layout and it has a rounding layout. So we can simply change the shape from rounded to square, and just take a look, and then you can go to style, and after that just take a look, you can change the size of these icons as you want, but I'd love to keep as there, oops, not 0, let's say 15, nope, 25, yeah, it's looking good, or 30. And padding, you can simply increase the padding if you want, but I don't want to increase the padding, so let's say 0, oops, 1, yeah, okay, it's looking too big, so let's just make it 0.5. and then the spacings, you can increase the spacings to, I'd love to keep it to 10, which is looking good here. And then row gap, so if you there is no work here as of now, so we can simply keep it as it is. And then if you want, you can keep a border, but I don't want to place any border right here. And then let's click on icon hover, And here, as you can see, hover animation, simply click here, and whatever hover you want to give, let's say I want to give shrink. Let me show you. It is going to be shrinked, right? But we want to give like pulse grow. No, not this one. So let me see which one we have used. Oh, grow rotate is another nice option which you can use. Okay, so this is looking good for me. So although this has another effect, but I'd love to keep it to grow rotate. But if you want, you can simply use that by looking it up here, like pulse grow. No, not pulse grow. It should be only grow. Okay, yeah, this is the effect which we have used right here. All right, and the icon size looks smaller, but you can simply spend more time to make the adjustment, but I don't want to spend some more time right here. Or we can simply do this from style, and then from icon size, let's say 25 is going to be look nicer. Okay, I think 25 is the size as well here. Now let's just change the background color of this section. So we are going to copy the background color code, and then we are going to click here and go to style, go to classic, then change the background here. All right, and then we are going to give some padding stuffs, but we are going to come back on padding stuff for all of these sections later. But first of all, let's just build the structure. Now let's go for another section. So I'm going to click on section plus, and then one column structure, and after that we have got this heading, and then we have got paragraph, then one inner section. So I'm going to take them heading, then go back to widgets, text editor, go back to widgets, inner section, and then we have one button. So let's go back to widgets, drag this button right here. Okay, so we have got the basic structure. Now it's time to copy and paste everything here. So copy the heading and paste it right here, and after that we have got this paragraph. So let's copy and click here, paste your paragraph, and after that we have got this image and this section. So we are going to work on this. So let's upload the image first, image, and click here, upload the image. Again, you are going to find this image and other stuffs into the video description. So let's just go for it. We are going to take from here, let's say feature. Yeah, this is featured list. So let's drag it here, and we are going to remove two of them, and I'm going to show you how it is going to work for us soon. So here we go. We have got this header, so I'm going to give it to center alignment, and let's go back again, click on font finder, then find out the font size and other information. So so font family is Roboto here, but it should be Lato, by the way. 44 pixels with 400 font weight, so I'm going to give it here. Let's go back and style 44 pixels, and from Roboto I'm going to change it to Lato, which should be Lato because it is a good practice to use one specific header or one specific font family for your website or landing page. So I'm going to copy the code of this color, Control Alt copy, and paste it right here. All right, so we have got this color code as well. Now let's just okay, so we can change these text colors as well. So let's click here and let's find out the information. So 22 pixel, and then this one is Gentium basic, and here's the color code. So I'm going to copy this color code, and I'm going to click here on style, change it here. Let's go to font family, which is going to be Gentium basic, and the font size was 22 pixel and 400 is the weight, so it's looking good here. Yeah, I think the color didn't change. Okay, so because we have entered 2 hash, so okay, so it should be changed soon. All right, yeah, so I've just copied and pasted this part, so I have to delete this one. So sometimes it just didn't work or doesn't work when we use simply just copy and paste information, and we don't remove the formatting. So I've just pasted here and pasted here. Now let's go to style, change the color to 333. All right, so just take a look, we have got the color has been changed. And then we are going to change the okay, so Gentium basic, 22 pixel, 400 is the weight, and just take a look, it's looking nice here. Now we have to work on these featured items. So I'm going to copy this heading from here, click here, and then click here. After that, let's change the title, and we're going to remove this description from here. And don't worry, we're going to work on this soon. And let's change the icon from here, and we are using this icon instead. So let's click on insert, and we have this blank inner section, so we are going to make it blank as well from framed, and just take a look, it's been framed. All right, so now let's go to style, and we are going to click on icon, and let's just simply decrease the size, and I'm going to give it to 15, and this one to 35. It is going to look nicer here, right? And then we have to go back again here, and let's see what is the font size. 22 pixel Gentium basics, and okay, so 22 pixel Gentium basic. So I'm going to content, then from title we are going to change the color here to 33333, which is the original color. And then we have got this typography Gentium basic, and we are going to type out 22 pixel, and just take a look how it is looking like as it is here, right? Or actually the font, okay, so font weight was 400, so I just got like shocked why this is looking too big. All right, so here we go, we have got this basic structure. Now what we can do, we can simply go back to content, and then simply copy, and let's make the changes. I'm going to copy this text from here, and then I'm going to paste them in this title, copy this text from here, and then click here, paste them right here, and just take a look how it is looking like. Now if you just notice, we have got some spacings right inside of these or between these feature items. So let's go back here, and then click here, then go to style. From spacings, you can increase the spacings as you want. So I'm going to keep it to, let's say, 30 for now, and we're going to give the placement from here to vertical alignment to middle, and just take a look how it is looking like. And then I'm going to increase the size of this column. All right, and then I'm going to be doing some more spacings. So let's go to style, and not here, actually click here, and then let's say 40, and it's going to look much nicer. And we can simply work on this image size as well. I think the image size, okay, 70 is going to look nice here. Too big. 70 is going to look nice, right? So it is looking nice here. Now let's go back again here, and let's work on this button section. So we are going to work on this. So let's click here on this button, and after that, yes, send me the free report. So I'm going to type this out here. Yes, send me the free report. All right, and then we're going to give it to centered alignment. Now we have got a very few things to do. So first of all, let's use our tool to get the formattings here. 24 pixels Lato and 900 font weight. So 24 Lato 900. So I'm going to style, and after that from typography, change it to Lato 24 and 900. Was it 24? Yeah, so 24. And the color, as you can see, I'm going to take the color from here as well. So color code is going to be what? This one. Okay, this one is the color of our background of this button, and I'm going to take you here, and then where is the background? Yeah, background color, as you can see here. So let's click on it, and after that copy the color and paste the color code right here and remove one hash, and just take a look, we have got this color appearing as well. Now let's just go to padding, and we are going to give to, on top we are going to give 25, on bottom we are going to give 25, and on right and left we are going to give 250. All right, and a little more, I guess 270 in right left, and then we are going to give the border radius of 50. So let's select it, and then let's give 50, and just take a look, we have got this beautiful button as well, but this button is little longer, so I might have to place like 300 and 300, and here we go, it is looking nicer now. And now it's time to add our footer menu, and we are going to work on these structure alignments soon, so don't worry. And here we go, I have missed to provide this section in this alignment, which is going to be okay, let's click here, and from here we are going to give column white. Okay, click here, and then here 960, and just take a look how it is looking like, right? And yeah, so we have to decrease the size to 270, and 270, it is going to look nicer. All right, so it's in the proper alignment. Now let's go for this one, which is footer. So I'm going to take 2 columns here, right? And then I'm going to copy this text, and let's click here, text editor, and paste the text. I'm going to paste it here. All right, so copyright Elementor leads, and then I'm going to copy this disclaimer option, and let's take another text editor, disclaimer. Okay, so disclaimer, so it should be in right alignment, and the color is going to be changed for sure, so we are going to change the color from here, copy, and we are going to click here, content, select, give underline as it is underlined here, and then we are going to style, change the text color to this one, and just take a look. Oops, it didn't changed. It's actually changed, but the color I have copied was the wrong one, so I'm going to copy and paste it here, and just take a look, it's just been changed. And now we are going to change the background color of this border, which is this one. So let's select Ctrl-Alt copy from here, go back here, and then select this section, go to style, click on classic, click here, and paste it right here. Just take a look how it is looking like. And now we are going to give like a padding of 15 to top. So in top we are going to give 15, and same padding we are going to give for this one. Advanced padding is going to be on top 15. Okay, and just take a look, we have got the basic structure. Now we are going to click on update, and we're going to select this section from here and go to advanced, then click here on link values together. So we don't want to link values together, we only want to give the top section. Okay, so it's just taking doing something else, so I'm going to 0. So let's click here, so let's click here and then go to advanced, and then we are going to link values together. We have to unselect this one, and then the margin is going to be like a minus of, let's see when or where it is going to look nice. All right, so we actually have to move this text to top. Okay, for some reason it is not placing in the top, so let's just click on this section and let's see. Column position is going to be top. Yeah, here we go, we have got this column in top, and now we are going to click here, and then we are going to click here and start giving some minus margins here. So let's click here, and it is going to take our page a little bigger. So let's say 220, and then this heading should have some padding. So we are going to click here, go to advanced. From padding, I'm going to give from the top, this padding should be 50, and just take a look. And now if I click here again, then I'm going to give like 270, and just take a look how beautifully it is aligned. And just take a look and just match it up here. All right, so it's aligned properly. Now we are going to give some padding here as well. So I'm going to click here on this section and then go to advanced, and for this padding I'm going to give on top, it should have, let's say 20, and on bottom it should have 20 more, so it is going to look nicer. And then for this section we are going to give some padding as well. Let's say for top we need 25. Yeah, not here actually, so it should be here. Okay, so let's go to advanced, and then padding we need on top we need, let's say 25, and on bottom we need 25 pixel. All right, so let's just take a look how beautifully it is being placed. And now we have to give some padding here on this section. So let's click here, then go to advanced, then click here to unlink, and then let's say on top I want 50, and on bottom I want 50 pixels of padding. Just take a look how it is looking like. And then if I show you here, okay, so here, okay, and yeah, so I actually have to change the background color of, okay, so this one actually one background color. So I'm going to copy the background color code from here, and I'm going to click here on this section, whole section, go to style and go to classic, change the background color so that it will match up with our original background color. Then click here, then go to style, click on classic, change the background color, and just take a look how it is looking like. And inside of this section we have got a different background. So I'm going to copy and paste this code right here. So let's click here, go to style, classic, then paste the color, and just take a look how it is looking like. But I have made a mistake. Instead of giving the padding right into this whole section, I should have given the padding to this section. Okay, so I'm going to click here and go to advanced. Then from top I don't need this padding, and from bottom I need actually a little more, so I'm going to give like 70. All right, and inside of this section, by clicking on this edit column, I'm going to give some padding from advanced. From padding I need, on top I need, let's say 50, let's say 50, and on bottom I need 50. So now just take a look how it is looking like. And from right and left side I'm going to give some padding for this section as well. So let me see again. Yeah, it's looking good. Actually 70 is going to look nicer, and yeah, 70 on the top as well. All right, so it's looking good. And then from right side we are going to give the padding of 20 pixels, and then from left side we are going to give 20 pixels. And just take a look how beautiful it is currently looking like here on our template. So if you want, you can simply increase it to, let's say 280, and it's going to look much nicer. And let me see what else I have missed here, if there anything. No, I didn't. Yeah, so here I have got this button which should have some padding. So I'm going to click on button and then go to advanced, and from margin actually I'm going to give some margin on top. 25 or 30 is going to look nice, right? So just take a look. Now let's click on update, and if you want to preview this page in a new tab, here we go. We have got this beautiful landing page designed from the scratch throughout this video, right? So now let's say you want to change the link to these social media icons. So let me show you how you can do this. Simply click on social media icons and then go to content, then click here on Facebook. Now let me just add my Facebook page here, facebook.com/Azharul Rafi. Okay, so this is my Facebook page. I want to place it right here. Then from this option you can select open in a new tab or new window or not. So I always select this one. All right, and then click on save. And same way you can add your Twitter link, you can add your LinkedIn, or you can add your Instagram or whatever platform you'd love to use. So this was it. Now if I show you here, I'm going to cross it out, and if I click on Facebook, it is going to land my visitors to my Facebook page here, right? So this was it. Now let's say you have created this template, how you can upload it into your page. So I'm going to show you in real quick. So let's just go back here. I'm going to click on exit to dashboard, then go to pages, then click on new, add new, and I'm going to type out here LP tutorial. Just give a name, whatever you want, tutorial, and the URL slug I'm going to keep like LPT or LP tutorial, and I'm going to keep it to Elementor canvas. Let's click on publish, and then click on edit with Elementor, and after that click on this folder icon, then go to my templates, and here we go, LP tutorial. This is the one which we have worked right now. So let's click on insert, let's click on yes, and then click on update. Now let's visit this page, and here we go. Now if someone visits our web page like this one, let me show you, just take a look, they are going to see this template appearing, right? So this is how you have to create beautiful landing pages using Elementor Page Builder. And if you are interested to learn more about landing page building using Elementor, then here I have got a playlist. Oops, again. So let me take you to YouTube, and from here let's say Azharul Rafi, and you are going to find a playlist. As you can see, landing page with Elementor. If you click here, you are going to be able to watch my other landing page tutorials which I have created. So let me show you which template I have created throughout these videos. So I'm going to type out p1/Azharul Rafi/main LP. I guess this one. No, okay, so it should be main LP. Alright, so this one I have created throughout these video tutorials. If you're interested, you can simply watch and learn the process of creating these beautiful templates step by step from the scratch. So I believe you have found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a like, share this video to help your friends, and subscribe to my channel to get more helpful videos regarding Elementor website and landing pages in near future. I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.